5克的盐，60克的橄榄油。继续冷藏半个小时。
Late frost on the railing, melted by a quiet dawn. Steam curls from my coffee like all the years that came and gone. Bare trees sketch the skyline, little buds along each vein. Your old coat on the back door, carrying a different kind of weight. Hello, spring, you took the long way here. Through every empty evening, through every frozen fear, I feel the hours loosening in the soft light on my skin. Hello, spring, let something gentle begin. Footsteps in the garden, soft earth waking under feet. So drop in the corner, brave and shaken in the breeze. I'm tracing every silence that settled in this quiet room. Dust floating in the window, now glittering in afternoon. Hello, spring, you took the long